Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make butter garlic shrimp. First, ensure your shrimp are prepped and ready to go. You'll want about 1 pound of large shrimp, peeled and deveined. Next, get your aromatics ready by mincing 4 cloves of garlic and chopping some fresh parsley. Finally, measure out 4 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil for cooking. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, add your minced garlic. Sauté the garlic for about 30 seconds until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Then, add your prepped shrimp to the skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Almost done. Once your shrimp are cooked, remove them from the skillet and set aside. Add the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan. Deglaze the skillet with about 1/4 cup of white wine or chicken broth, scraping up any brown bits. Finally, stir in your fresh chopped parsley and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a bright finish. This creates a rich, flavorful sauce. Your delicious butter garlic shrimp is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over your favorite pasta, rice, or with some warm, crusty bread to soak up that amazing sauce. Don't forget to garnish with a little extra fresh parsley and a lemon wedge for presentation. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.